What is good, YouTube? It's the 𝗲𝗼𝗾𝗃 back here with another video, man. Today's video, man, we got a new mod to the channel, man. So we got the Hellcat Lower grow pieces for the bumper. Yeah, man. So recently we just had one fog light stop working, So and we don't want to replace the ballast right now, but we're gonna have to delete these soon because what we about to do to the scat very soon, man. So we're just gonna show y'all how to put these simple pieces in that make the front end look kind of different, man. And you can't be riding around looking like this, y'all, boy. As y'all can see, look. So we riding around with a hole inside the fog light, I guess, cause the Lawrence switch that we got on the car make it like I was on downtown. Y'all know, if y'all from Charleston, man, y'all know downtown's the bumpiest place to be. And I was downtown. I hit like a bump in the road downtown, and that thing knocked my fog lock out, and underneath the car is like it's like a, I don't know if y'all can see, but y'all can see through the ground. I don't know if y'all can see that, but y'all can see through the ground. Usually supposed to be a pan right there, but it's not no more. So that came off, and my fog light, and that don't really did some damage. So we just gonna delete the fog lights right now, because what we're gonna do soon is gonna, like, we're not gonna have no fog lights. So that's a hint right there, man. So y'all boy just stay tuned to the channel, and we gonna show y'all boy how we take these out. All right, y'all boy. So yeah, so we on this side right here. We already did this side over here, so that's why the fog light already out. I don't know, we didn't really did anything, it just fell out on its own. But all you gotta do is make sure you keep the this inner thing right here, and you just put the tabs in. It doesn't really click, but you can tell that's in there. I'm pulling on it and it's in there. So that one done. So on this side, I gotta disconnect the fog light. So I'm gonna have to take off these pins right here. And yeah, sorry about the wind, you guys, man. We forgot our mic at home, so if y'all can hear a wind, just sorry about that. So yeah, we're gonna have to take out these pins right here and disconnect the fog light cover. And I gotta find a way to take off the balance for the fog light. So gotta turn the wheel. Y'all boy, go listen to that cold start. Not cold start, but warm start. Don't get the lights. Yeah, you can take these out with a flathead. Just pry this open. These don't go. Just gotta take them off. We don't got the correct tool for it because we forgot to, but you can take it off with a flathead. That's gonna come off. So the fog light is right here, you guys. As you can see, fog light right there. Want to pull this tab up. Alright, fog light, that little gray piece. No, this the ballast. This gray piece is the ballast. So. But yeah, to take off this balance, y'all, right here, to take off this balance for the fog light, you're gonna need a star bite. So you just want to screw that off. So I don't really know the correct way to take this out, so I'm gonna just pry this out and try to see what's going on with this joint now. You got a 𝙀𝙀𝙀𝘀 and 𝑇-house? Okay, so you're gonna have to get the flathead, and like it's gonna be a black piece right here. You're just gonna have to separate those two and pull one side out and do the other side like that, and then the whole thing will come out. So this is how it look right here. So you want to disconnect this fog light real quick. Disconnect it. We can just plug that in. We'll already take this off. So all you want to do is just plug this in. You can see. Just line it up with the connector with the little tabs inside. And it should just go straight in. That one band right there. You don't want to bend the little connectors on the side. Tab. Yeah, the little tabs. Make sure every one of them go in. Alright, and that's it, y'all, boy. That's the deleted fog light covers, man. And that thing took off our splitter too, man. So yeah, that's the deleted fog lights. We don't got no more fog lights. But for the meantime, we is gonna cover this up so no water or corrosion or anything can get inside it. Cause I think we can still put the fog lights in it on when our next build. So. Yeah, so we're gonna cover that up with electrical tape. So now we're just gonna put everything back in to where it used to be. All these tabs and stuff right here. These pins, we're gonna put it back in the holes that we got it from, man. So yeah, so you just put the big one in first, then get the little one, and just line them up. It should go straight in. You gotta maintain your vehicle. So we about to hit the Scatpack waterless wash. Yeah, just wipe it down, get a good wipe down. Cause if you can see from an angle, you can see dirt marks, especially in the back by the trunk area. Wipe that down. But we just gonna be using water to rinse off the wheels, the wheel cleaner and stuff like that. We're gonna put on. But it's just a little quick maintenance that we're gonna do. Alright, y'all, so we just got done with the waterless wash and hitting the tires and stuff right now. We already did that. So, yeah, man. If y'all both want to see more videos like this, man, get this video to at least 30+ likes, man. It's the Hemi Twins. We out.